Hey there, Tim McGuire with SERVPRO of Quincy. What we're doing here today is we're going to do a little demonstration of what our products can do and what our equipment can do. We've invested into a Fireline Ultrasonic Cleaning System. We've got a little bit of different contents in here that we would find in a house that would be caused from soot damage or fire damage. Some plates, some knickknacks, glassware, things like that. We're going to go ahead and soot them up for you. We're going to kind of show you before and after pictures. Once we get these all sooted up, we're going to take them to the ultrasonic machine and we're going to put them in there, and we can show you that we can bring them back to brand new and like it never even happened.
This is one of the plates from the box of household items. As you can see, it is slightly covered in smoke and soot. In just a few seconds, in the ultrasonic cleaning system with specialty detergents, we can clean almost any household item of any material. If you have questions, give us a call today. We can show you how we can make it like it never even happened.